How are you gonna do this? Yan, tama lang. I ride a bicycle. Kasi beach, di ba? Daw, I mean, province. Alam ko talagang magagaling siya. Pero it won't sink. Kahit madami kayo. Pero bababa siya. Yun lang. Wow, this is bonkers. Ikaw ba rin yung nag-stay sa LA? Ikaw din yung nag-stay sa LA? Sige, sir. Or like bro thing. Saan ko Batangas? Maganda doon. Saan eh? Tapos ikaw haon ka. Haon ang agad. Kasi di ko sometimes sa bahay. Or like, they feel threatened. Eh bakit? Bakit nagsilos ka? That is why Stacey idiots. Just kidding. Parang, di lahat yung iba they're meant to meet as strangers. But, like you start off as friends before you jump into something. Yeah, it's very important. Alam ko nahanap ko ng ibang lalaki. Ano nga ganun kayo? Sa'yo? Bakit may na-try ka na? Sige. Kasi yung mga ganun din naman, it depends naman kung sino talaga yung, let's say, consistent. Sino yung, may dami yung factors sa sino yung mas type ko din. Sa relationship. Oo. May mga tao na pang friends lang talaga. Platonic friendship. May ganun din na parang may pinagtatagal. Feeling ko kasi sila sa so, feeling ko ako yung ayoko na maging hadlang so whatever he wants. Kasi in this industry, you really have to live. Kaya sabi sa isip ko din, I don't want to be in a relationship because mas ma-restrict ka kung may someone ka, gano'n, problems. So mas hindi ka I mean for me, respect to others na yan. But I don't also know the feeling of being in a relationship with them. Talaga, hindi ko alam. So, I can't say it. So, malalaman natin yun. Ikaw, your experience is the best teacher. If you learn from other people's experience, pero kusang kung ikaw na yun, mas iba yung impact, mas iba yung learn. Nakakapagod. Ulit-ulit. So feeling mo hindi ka din hindi ka papasok sa relationship in the next. Kasi kayo kasi yung nag-decide you're gonna pursue. Pero kami yung magde-decide kung
Kasi, tama yun. Pero kasi ako,
may gusto mo.
hindi sure. Gusto ko sure. Pag sure, go. Pag may 70-30 na. Kasi malaki risk yun. For me.
Oo.
Tapos, hindi sure.
The fear time.